It's time for bed. What? What? Where you at? Do you want a book? Look at her rubbing her rubby. Do you want a book? No, we can't have the TV thing. Do you want a book, baby? How about we get a book? Okay, here, let's get a book. Look it. There's your books. There's your books. There's some books. Oh, man, we got to have those books, don't we? Got to read some stories. Okay, here. Okay, thank you. You ready? How about we take our Bubba, too? Want your Bubba, too? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you coming up here to read? Kenna? Come on. Let's read your book. Come on, baby. Come on, let's read books now. Okay.